So he was preaching for 1 year, but he was not successful. So he thought, God doesn't want me to preach in the Western countries. Then finally he went to New York, Thompson Square Park, and he started singing Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Or some miracle goes.
And some miracle happened.
उस समय अमेरिका में जो है वो रेवोल्यूशन चल रहा था.
At that time there was a regulation in America.
ये अमेरिकन पुलिस जो है और जितने युवा संप्रदाय के जो है पकड़ करके.
So the American police they were arresting all the young people and sending them to army by force. So the war.
Civil war शुरू हो गया.
Vietnam War, no?
वियतनाम के साथ युद्ध से.
So United States were fighting with Vietnam. There was a war in Vietnam. So they were taking by force the young people and sending them to the army to fight in Vietnam. So at that time, some people, some young people, they didn't want to go to the army. So they made some, they became hippies and started just wander here and there. They had long hair, dreadlocks. They were drinking, smoking cigarettes and other things, many kinds of intoxicants. So Shri Maharaj, when he was doing kirtan there, he came to near the hippies, group of hippies, and then he came and they started dancing with the song. They had cigarette in one hand and LSD also, drinking alcohol, and also holding the hand of the girlfriend and dancing. But look, Shri Maharaj gave so much mercy, and God also gave mercy. So all of them, slowly they give up everything and they surrendered themselves to the feet of Srila Swami Maharaj. They shaved their heads, they kept sikha. They also put the kanti mala on their necks, trikanti, 3 rounds tulasi, and put tilak in the 12 parts of the body. And also they started wearing beautiful clothes of brahmachari, following the Shuddha Sadacharya, and chanting holy names according to the instructions of Srila Swami Maharaj. They started to chant with so much faith, and also chanting mantra with so much faith. Then, according to the instructions of the Guru, they also started to preach. They preached also. They manifested books, helped publishing books. They helped publish the books. Because the best preaching, the best weapon for the preaching are the books, publishing books. This is called Brihat Mridango Seva. By Brihat Mridango Seva, the instructions of Mahaprabhu are able to reach from one corner to the other corner of the earth planet. This is the best service.
कई बार मैं भी
Many times I also
बार-बार
I have repeated this word again and again. There are two kinds of Guru service,
एक है
Guru Seva. One is
बपू सेवा
Bopu
और
Seva,
दूसरी है
Vapu Seva, physical body, and Vani Seva, service to the
वाणी
instructions.
सेवा की महत्व
So the glory of Vani Seva is highest of all, the
बपू
highest.
सेवा गुरुदेव की
Of course, Vapu Seva, physical
physically जो
service
सर्विस जो उसके बपू
to
सेवा
Gurudeva, it's called Vapu Seva,
कपड़ा आदि सब कर देना,
to wash his clothes,
रसोई बनाना,
to cook for him,
हैं? चरण आदि दबा देना,
to massage his feet.
मसाज कर देना, ये सब किसमें आ जाता है?
This is all what?
बपू सेवा में आ
This comes in the Vapu
और
Seva.
वाणी सेवा क्या है?
But what is Vani Seva?
उनकी कथा को है ग्रंथ के रूप में प्रकाशित करके
Manifests his katha in form of books.
पृथ्वी के एक छोर से दूसरे छोर तक
And this will reach from one corner to the other corner of the
कहा
earth.
जाता है बृहत मृदंग
This is called Brihat Mridanga Seva.
है। जैसे मृदंग को बजाए तो उसकी ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3-4 मीटर
So
तक
if you play
पहुंच जाएगी,
Mridanga,
धनी सुनता
this
है।
sound of the Mridanga will only reach 3-4 meters maximum.
किंतु बृहत मृदंग
Like a couple of meters, some meters, right? But
वो पृथ्वी के एक छोर से
the books, Brihat Mridanga, they reach from one corner to the other corner of the earth
मील तक
for thousands and thousands
पहुंच जाए। और हजारों
miles.
लोगों की कल्याण भी
And
करते
thousands of people, they are benefited from the books.
हैं। इसलिए ग्रंथ सेवा
That's
की
why Grantha Seva is so important, more important, even more.
सेवा
So Brihat Mridanga Seva, it's called
वाणी सेवा कहा जाता
also Vani Seva.
है। बृहद मृदंग की सेवा के नाम है
Another name
वाणी सेवा।
of Brihat Mridanga Seva is Vani Seva.
वाणी सेवा होनी चाहिए। इसलिए स्वामी महाराज के जितने भी शिष्य हैं,
So all the disciples of Srila Swami Maharaj,
सभी ने क्या किया?
all of them,
वाणी सेवा में ही लिप्त रहे।
they are absorbed in Vani Seva. Vani Seva is so important, necessary.
विश्व में जो कुछ भी प्रचार हुई,
All the preaching that is going on in the world is because of Vani Seva.
जैसे व्यासदेव जी ने ग्रंथ जो लिखा,
Like Vyasadeva wrote books for what?
ये भागवत की तात्पर्य जो है,
So
भागवत
that
की कथा जो
the
है,
meaning of the Bhagavad Katha would be able to reach everyone. That's why he wrote many books, Vyasadeva.
जिसको कहा जाता है
This is
शब्द
called
ब्रह्म।
Shabda Brahma, the transcendental
शब्द
sound.
ब्रह्म ही है।
This is Shabda Brahma, the transcendental
और
sound.
भागवत की ग्रंथ के विषय कहा जाता है वाङ्मयी मूर्ति कहा जाता है।
Actually, the Bhagavata is Vanamaya Murti. He's the sound incarnation of God.
आकर के जगत में प्रकाशित
So the
होकर
Bhagavata
के
is the sound incarnation of God that's coming to this world and benefiting and giving a welfare to all the living entities in this world.
भगवत कथा
Bhagavad Katha, it's called
वाङ्मयी कथा
Banmaya Katha, means sound incarnation of God. Bhagavan himself, he's appearing in the sound incarnation.
जगत जीवों की जय
And in this way, God is giving like benefits, like helping all the
यानी
jivas.
कि यह तात्पर्य है
So
भक्तिवेदांत
I want to say
स्वामी
is that
महाराज
Srila Swami Maharaj Ji,
ने अपने जितने शिष्य आदि के
all the disciples, mostly all of them, they Srila Swami Maharaj would encourage them to serve publishing books. Mostly
ग्रंथ आदि प्रकाश
they help
करके
publishing so many books and distributing books to everyone.
इसमें देखो उनकी भाषा और अनेकों
And
भाषा
also in many languages also these books were translated.
अनेकों भाषा में केवल अंग्रेजी भाषा नहीं
Not only in English,
हिंदी भाषा
in
नहीं
Hindi,
बांग्ला
not only
भाषा
in
नहीं,
Hindi, not only in Bengali.
हैं? समस्त भाषा
In
almost
almost all the languages of the
भाषा
earth.
में ही
In almost all the languages of the earth. His books, Chaitanya Charitamrita and Srimad Bhagavatam are translated. And his Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita,
प्रकाशित
they are published in almost all the languages.
यहाँ तक भी
Not only that, also
है मुस्लिम लैंग्वेज
in the Muslim language as well, in the Urdu language as well. These books are published.
इसलिए कहा जाता है
This is called real Guru service, service to the Guru, Guru Seva.
इससे भगवान प्रसन्न होते हैं
By this, God becomes so pleased, and Bhagavan also.
हम लोग के उसी प्रकार प्रोत्साहित होनी
So
चाहिए
that's why we also should be enthusiastic in this also.
enthusiastic
You have to be enthusiastic how to preach
है वाणी से
Bani Seva.
वाणी सेवा की प्रचार करो
Preach Bani
ये
Seva.
सबसे बड़ी
This is the best.
है तो भक्ति वेदांत साईं महाराज
So Srila Bhaktivedanta
और
Swami
बड़े
Maharaj,
जो मठ मंदिर आदि की
he also
स्थापना
established so many temples as well.
नाम हट्ट की स्थापना की।
Namharta preaching centers and preaching
क्योंकि
places.
परमार्थिक जगत में प्रवेश करने
Because to
करने
enter
के लिए
spiritual life,
तीन वस्तुओं
three
की
things
जरूरत
are
है।
important and necessary.
एक होता है
One,
सद्गुरु,
we need the bona fide guru.
जो हमें वास्तव
First
में
of all, we need the
दिशा
bona
को
fide guru, someone who is real, going to point out the way, the directions, to guide us.
perfect path।
Someone who guides us the perfect
इस
path.
सद्गुरु के जो है
So the bona fide guru is important
दूसरी
and
है
necessary.
ग्रंथ आदि
Second, we need the books.
है उनकी कथा को ग्रंथ आदि में
We need the books manifested in form of the katha manifested in the form of books.
ग्रंथ क्या चीज
What is the grantha?
एविडेंस माना जाए
It's an evidence.
एविडेंस
It's an evidence.
मैंने जो कहा
Like whatever I told,
जुग जुगांतर
this will stay age after age, yuga after yuga. These books will stay as an evidence. Like Vyasadeva, he came 5,000 years ago and he wrote the Bhagavatam. 5,000 years ago. And we still have this Bhagavatam. Like Vyasadeva gave dictation and Ganesh wrote it down. The same Bhagavatam until nowadays. It's going on, it's there, available. If Vyasadeva would not have written the Bhagavatam, how would we read the Bhagavatam nowadays? Isn't it? 5,000 years passed and the same Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Veda, Purana, Upanishads, all of them are going on. So the books, they will stay age after age. Time will change. Time changes. How many things happen in the earth? How many calamities, how many earthquakes, how many things. But these books, they stay with us age after age, like for ages to come. For ages to come. That's why read books, manifest books, publish books. This is so important. This is important service.
और इसी के कहा जाए ग्रंथों के कहा जाता है law book भी कहा जाता है.
The granthas are also called law book.
जैसे कोर्ट में जाए,
Like if you go to the court, then the lawyer, he'll like have so many arguments to protect his victim, his clients, and he has to give evidence according to the laws, right? So the granthas, they are the laws also. All the injunctions are there.
इसलिए पहले क्या होनी चाहिए?
So first of all, we need
दिशा निर्देश
somebody who is guiding us. This is what Guru, bona fide Guru, will guide the way.
वास्तव दिशा को
He will guide us nicely the way and take us in the right path. Second of all, we need the law book,
एविडेंस.
the book, evidence of the scriptures.
तीसरी,
Third,
जहाँ पर हम सभी एकत्रित
we also
होकर
need a
के
place to gather together,
बैठ करके
sit down
भगवान की
together,
अमृतमय कथा को
and
हमारे सामने
hear
रखना
together the
चाहिए.
nectarian Harikatha.
आज
Do you understand?
इसलिए महापुरुष से लेकर
So
के
Mahaprabhu and
हमारे गोसाई भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर तक
Goswamis until
सभी
Bhaktivinoda
लोग
Thakur,
भजनानंदी थे.
all of them, they were Bhajananandi, absorbed in their own spiritual life.
सब भजन करते, भजनानंद.
They were Bhajananandi at that time.
किंतु इसमें भक्ति सिद्धांत
But
प्रभुपाद
Srila
ने
Bhaktisiddhanta
क्या
Saraswati Prabhupada, what did he do?
हैं?
Goshtanandi Bhajan.
गोष्ठानंदी बनाया.
He established the Goshtanandi process of bhajan. Means everybody stay together
कथा को
and
पठन पाठन
read and listen, hear together the Bhagavad Katha. So we need a place for that. Mata Mandir, temple is important. The more Kali Yuga grows, the more the human bodies, they become so weak, full of diseases, weak.
फले दोष निधि राजन.
This Kali Yuga is an ocean of faults.
मनुष्य के तो अनेक प्रकार दोष दोषी है.
Oh King, the Kali Yuga's human being, the Kali Yuga, human being Kali Yuga has so many faults
ऐसे
and
लोगों
faults.
के लिए स्थान भी जरूरत है.
So it's necessary to have a place also for this.
ठंडी
If you sit in the cold, you'll feel cold, you fall sick, you have a flu. Next day you cannot come for Harikatha because you're feeling cold and you became sick. That's why you need a roof, a place to sit. You need a roof or not?
तो ये ऐसे कहने की तात्पर्य
So
है
what I want to say is that the human beings in Kali Yuga, slowly,
लेजी भी हो
they
जाते
also become so lazy. That's, lazy. They become.
भारत से प्रमाद आदि घेर देते हैं. इसलिए उनकी अधिक से अधिक सुख सुविधा दिया
That's
जाए।
why if there are many facilities and comforts,
जिस सुख सुविधा लेकर के कम से कम
then at least
कुछ भजन
the person will be able to try to do some bhajan.
रूप गोस्वामी सनातन गोस्वामी
Like,
महात्मा की वो नहीं है।
you cannot be like Sanatana Goswami or Rupa Goswami.
रूप सनातन जो भजन की पद्धति
The
आपने
bhajan they
श्रवण
did,
किया,
and we hear about how the Goswamis they did bhajan. They would spend each night in under one tree.
हैं?
Spend each night under each tree. You cannot do
मच्छर आ
that.
जाएगा बस।
Some mosquito comes,
डेंगू
bites you.
तीसरे दिन
Next day you have dengue.
अस्पताल, चौथे
Third
दिन,
day you're in the hospital. Fourth day you died.
हैं? तीन तला से दो तला, दो तला से
So you
एक
go
तला,
to the
एक तला से
second
तुलसी तला,
floor, to the
और
third
तुलसी
floor.
तला से,
Then you go to the
हैं?
ground floor. Then you go to under the ground.
हैं? नीम तला।
Ningtala means you die. Change the position. First you come inside the hospital. Then you go to this. Then you go.
चले जाते हैं।
Anyway, then you go. You're burned with the wood
तीन
and
तला
die.
तो बिल्डिंग बनाया।
So you have a three-storage building. So you're staying in this three-storage building. But when you die,
काम के लिए दो तला में उतार करके लाते हैं।
कौन सा dotala? Hospital. Dotala means
It's like
no. Dotala means which one? Hospital? Where you
दो
take?
तला से फिर कहाँ ले जाते हैं?
एक ताला
एक तला में ले जाते हैं, फिर ग्राउंड फ्लोर में जाते हैं, फिर तुलसी तला में ले जाते हैं।
So then you're taking. So then means you're staying in third floor of your house. Then you're going to the second floor. Then to the first. Then you're taking. Gurudev is making a joke. Okay, those who understand the Hindi can laugh at this
लेकर
joke.
के कहाँ जाते हैं?
So it's like
शमशान घाट में ले जाते हैं।
tala means also storage, like let's say floor, and
जहाँ
also
पर
means
तुलसी के पेड़ होता है ना,
tulasi tala means also
जैसे विधान
where
होता
the
है,
tulasi plants are there. So the rule is that
तुलसी के पास बैठाया जाता
you
है,
have to put the dead body next to the tulasi.
उनके आंखों में तुलसी दिया जाता है।
You put some tulsi in the eyes of the dead person.
तुलसी दिया जाता है, इसे तुलसी तला में ले जाता है।
You take the person to the
पहले
tulasi
रहा
tala.
कहाँ?
So first
शरीर
the
छोड़ा
person
कहाँ?
died in the third floor of the house.
हैं?
Tin tala means third floor.
He's staying in third floor.
So the person is staying in the
When
third
he
floor.
left his body,
Then he left his
dead body
body,
is coming.
and his dead body went to the
Second floor.
second floor of the house.
Then after because second floor
फर्स्ट फ्लोर
है, तो उनकी जो है परिवार लोग रहते हैं।
Because the family was staying
और
in the
फिर
third
फर्स्ट
floor.
फ्लोर में ले आते
Then
हैं।
the body is taken to the first floor of the house,
और फर्स्ट फ्लोर के बाद ग्राउंड फ्लोर,
then to the ground floor, and then
ग्राउंड फ्लोर के बाद तुलसी तला
then
ले आते
to the tulasi tala. It's like a joke because tala means floor, and also tulasi tala means
हैं। और
after
तुलसी तला
you
के
go to the
बाद
plants of tulasi, means they will put the plants tulasis in your body. Then you're taken to some shamtala, means crematorium.
রইল তুই সাধের ঘর বাড়ি, যেদিন তুই দোলায় যাবে যাবে শ্মশান বাড়ি। हैं? बंगला कीर्तन करता है।
This Kirtan in Bengali explains.
रइल तो ये साधेर घर बाड़ी। You also build very nicely with your
You will build very nicely a house.
eh? And when you left your body,
But when you die,
then you will go in Shamsan Ghat. Then
you
will
go to the crematorium,
burn.
and your body will be burned in there.
This is the perfect.
This is the perfect
eh?
truth.
This is called the perfect truth, absolutely truth.
This is the absolute truth.
One truth is God is absolute truth.
One truth is
Bhagwan
God.
Satta hai.
God is the truth. It's the absolute truth. The names of Lord are truth.
Holy names and Sri Hari. That is called the absolute truth.
Holy names and Shehari are the absolute truth. Another absolute truth is the death.
Death. Who will not die? Everyone will die.
Who will not die? Everybody will die.
As for this regard, in morning I told, you have lot of wealth of money.
So in the morning,
Then
I told,
everybody calls you.
if you
You
have a lot
are
of wealth and
rich
money,
and
people
dhani.
will call you Dhani.
Eh?
Dhani means rich.
Understand? In Braj language, Hindi Bhasha, they are saying.
So
Seth.
those who are rich in
Seth
with
means
Braj, they call
wealthy
Sethji,
person.
means an healthy person.
Healthy and wealthy person.
Healthy and wealthy. It's called Sethji. Gurudev is talking English, but I think maybe without microphone cannot
But
hear.
when
That's why I'm
you
repeating.
die, then your name will be written
But when you die, they write in front of your
in
name.
your book. Which book?
So if they write your name in some book, which book?
क्या बोला था?
Obits?
शोक पत्रिका,
They write your name in the list of the dead people.
निधन, Nidhan.
They call like list of dead people. I don't know nice English. Deceased. They call in English.
You are
You
called, you are
know?
called
Deceased
Nidhari.
people. So before
And
you were
when
called, you were
die,
a wealthy person, rich
then
person.
your name
But when
will
you
be written
die,
in paper,
Nirdan.
Nidhan.
when you
Nidhan.
die, then they are called Nidhan because it's like deceased. I don't know proper beautiful English word, but they put in the front, the beginning.
Nidhan ho gaya.
They put in the beginning of the name of the person. This Nidhan means the person died, the person passed away. But Nidhan is like two meanings. Also, it can mean that the person has no
When
money.
he say Nidhan,
So the person had money, now he's no money, Nidan. But actually, Nidan also means the person actually is dead. That's why they put this in front of the person's name, just to you understand the person is dead, the person has passed away.
बताती जा रही है।
The person's passed away.
और आदि का ही प्रियात्मने से समाज भक्ति वेदांत
They refer to the person with this word.
नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी, जिन्होंने अपने गुरुदेव की भाव माधुर्य के जान करके
So Shlaswami Maharaj he knew the moods of his Gurudeva, and he preached the Gauravani instructions of Mahaprabhu in this world.
महाप्रभु की वाणी क्या है?
What is the Bani of Mahaprabhu?
आराध्य भगवान ब्रजेश
Arada Bhagavam Brajashatanayas.
ब्रह्मा काचित पासना ब्रजबुधु वर्गेन्द्र च कल्पिता श्रीमद् भागवतम प्रमाण अमलम प्रेम पुमार्तमः श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु मत विदम तत्रागरो न परा। एक महाप्रभु की वाणी क्या है?
These are the instructions of Mahaprabhu. Arada Bhagavam Brajashatanayas.
ये आराध्य देव
Who is a worshipful deity? Is Krishna Brajendra Nandan.
आराध्य भगवान ब्रजेश तनयम तद्धाम वृंदावनम, और उनकी धाम क्या है?
And what is his dham? Vrindavana dham.
ब्रह्मा काचित उपासना ब्रजबुधु वर्गेन्द्र कल्पिता, वही वृंदावन श्याम सुंदर नंद नंदन कृष्ण, उनकी कैसे उपासना हुई
How he is worshipped?
ना? ब्रजगोपियों की
By the
परख्य भाव।
paramour modes of the gopis.
ब्रजगोपीज they worshipped Krishna with their
Braja gopis, they worship to Krishna with their paramour modes.
This paramour mode
This paramour mode has been described in the Srimad Bhagavatam.
spotless Puran, Srimad Bhagavatam
Bhagavatam is the spotless Purana,
describes
has described
the Brajgopis highest prem,
the highest prem of the Braja gopis, which is called the paramour mode, Parakya Bhav.
So Amal Puran, Srimad Bhagavatam,
So the spotless Purana, Srimad Bhagavatam, is the evidence.
Srimad Bhagavatam Praman Prema Pramartama, and Srimad Bhagavatam
And Srimad Bhagavatam
glorifies
glorifies
Brajaprem.
about Braja Prem.
धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्वर्ग के हम लोग उद्देश्य नहीं है।
Our goal is not the four goals like Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, but the fifth human
वो
goal,
कृष्ण प्रेम की सर्वोत्तम जो अवस्था
fifth
है,
goal of life,
माधुर्य प्रेमादि
Krishna
के
Prem.
प्रकट करना है। इसलिए भक्ति वेदांत
So Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, like this highest love that is the love of Srimati Radha.
अथवा उनकी गुरु
That's why Shlaswami Maharaj,
सर्वोत्तम प्रकार मनोभिष्ट
he fulfilled all the desires of his Guru Srila Bhaktisiddhanta and also all the desires of Mahaprabhu. He has fulfilled.
गुरु यही चाहते हैं,
The
सद्गुरु
Guru wants
चाहते
this.
हैं।
The bona fide Guru wants that.
ये मेरे
The
कथा
bona
की है।
fide Guru wants that my kata will reach each and every person. I want that my Harikatha reach each and every person. This is benefit for the world, Jagat Kalyan.
जन कल्याण किसको कहता है?
Jana Kalyan means benefit for the people, welfare of the people.
अनेक संसार में अनेक दाता
In this
हैं।
world, many people give donation and charity and help others. Like some people distribute clothes, they give clothes,
कंबल दे दिया,
they give blankets,
कंबल दाता हो गया,
giving
कंबल
blanket.
ओढ़ करके पड़े रहे।
Then you're rolling in the blanket and you're just sleeping and staying there, isn't it?
हैं? आज ठंडी के समय
Winter
मंगलारती
time,
कौन है?
who will come to Mangalarati? Oh, very nice.
गरम कंबल मिल
This
गया।
very sweet, sorry, sweet, no, very warm blanket I got, so I'm just sleeping and I don't go to Mangalarati.
गरम कंबल बस ढक करके पड़े रहे।
I'm just sleeping and wrapping myself in the warm blanket.
वस्त्र दान करते हैं, अन्न दान करते हैं।
Vastradan, some people give donation of clothes. Kanadan,
खराब हो गया।
giving donation of
आया नहीं क्यों?
food,
मैंने पेट खराब हो
and
गया। क्यों?
you cannot There was a feast, the bandara, very nice, but then you had problem in your digestion. You cannot control your tongue, so much desire to eat this like delicious foods like rasgulla. You ate so much rasgulla, then you could not digest. You had some problem in your stomach. The next day you don't come for eating this food. Okay, so one person you gave the blanket, the person stayed in the blanket, didn't come to Mangalar next day. Also, you gave donation of rasgulla, the person ate so much rasgulla, felt sick, and also cannot eat next day. Okay, so what is the best donation? Is giving Bhagavad Katha. If you make somebody drink this Bhagavad Katha, the person will never be sick. Actually, the person will become immortal.
इसलिए श्रीमती राधिका कथाम मृतम तप्त जीवनम कवि विरीडितम कल्म साहब श्रवण मंगलम श्रीमदाततम भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदाजन सर्वश्रेष्ठ दाता वही है।
The best donor is someone who
कथा को जगत में प्रचार करते हैं।
preaches Krishna Katha in this world.
मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूं
Why I'm saying this? Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaja,
जगत जीवन की यही दान
this is the donation he gave to the jivas of this world. He gave Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam,
है। विशेष करके पाश्चात्य देशों में
especially in the Western countries.
है, कृष्ण प्रेम के द्वारा नाम संकीर्तन के द्वारा सभी को
He
जो है
has made
उद्बुद्ध कर दिया। सबको नचाया।
He made everybody dance, everybody completely intoxicated with the holy names and Krishna Prem that he distributed in the Western countries.
साईं महाराज के भक्तिवेदांत साईं महाराज के पहले अनेक प्रचारक
So many
विदेश में भी गए।
preachers came to Western countries before Srila Swami
ये लोग
Maharaj.
भी प्रचार भी किया।
They have also preached in the Western
किंतु स्वामी
countries,
महाराज जिस प्रकार
but nobody
विपुल रूप
did
से प्रचार
like
किया,
Srila Swami Maharaj.
है,
He preached so
ऐसे
extensively.
किसी ने आज तक नहीं
Until nowadays, nobody has done like
किया।
him.
उनकी प्रचार
So he's preaching.
प्रसार एक अतुलनीय
It's incomparable.
मैं कहने की यही तात्पर्य है।
This is what I want to say.
सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचार गौरवाणी महाप्रभु जी आचार्य प्रचार है। आराध्य भगवान
He was preaching Gauravani, which is the instructions of Mahaprabhu. Our worshipable deities Krishna and Vrindavan Dham. And evidence of the highest goal of human life is the Bhagavatam, which says that the Gopis Paramur Mood is the highest goal of human life. This is the opinion of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
महाप्रभु के विचार आचार को करते हैं। इसलिए महाप्रभु जो जगत जीव को जो चीज वस्तु देने के
That thing that Mahaprabhu came to give to the jivas of this world, and that Mahaprabhu came to give to the jivas, and he gave.
ये सबसे बड़ी दान का है।
To give this again and again to all the jivas, this contribution of Mahaprabhu, this is the topmost mercy and compassion.
महाप्रभु यह दिखा जगत है। ये महाप्रभु जिस कारण से जगत में आए
For which reason Mahaprabhu came to this world?
रसिक शेखर कृष्ण परम करुण प्रेम रस नित्यास करित सदन राग मार्गी भक्ति लोग करित प्रचार। रसिक शेखर कृष्ण है। और महाप्रभु जगत जी के वही प्रेम राधा जी के सर्वोत्तम
Mahaprabhu
प्रेम
came
आस्वादन करके
He came to relish this highest mode of Srimati Radhika and also to make everyone relish also the same love.
रसिक शेखर कृष्ण परम करुण प्रेम रस निर्जास प्रेम रस के निर्जास the
The essence of Premaras Nirjas.
वो स्वयं आस्वादन करके
He
जीवों की
himself,
आस्वादन
he is relishing this and also made the jivas relish this as well.
जीवेरे आशा दिला तमिल लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna,
tasted the highest prem of Srimati Radhika
tasted the highest prema of Srimati
and
Radhika
simultaneously
and simultaneously
also he distributed to the others.
he distributed to the
For this
others.
Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raised one
For this
hand
regard, Mahaprabhu is raising one hand
and
and another hand is
That
going
means that
down.
Mahaprabhu is taking
Mahaprabhu is
the
taking
highest
the highest
prem
prema
and tasting.
and
And
tasting.
in another hand
And with the other hand, he is
distributing.
distributing and giving.
महाप्रभु यही कहा और कृष्ण महाप्रभु ये विशेष वैशिष्ट है in this incarnation of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
So in this incarnation, Gaur
he did
Avatar,
not discriminate
Mahaprabhu did not
who is
discriminate
qualified or unqualified.
who is qualified
He
or
did
not.
not discriminate. है ना अवतारे विचार न करेला क्या विचार नहीं किया जो अधिकारी है अनधिकारी है who is qualified or who is
Who is qualified or not, he did not discriminate.
जाने देखे तारे जन प्रेम दिलाए
He gave prema to whoever he saw.
and he
One who comes, he would give.
take this
Take this.
even those who did not come
Even those who did not come, also Mahaprabhu by force
used to go their house
used to go their house
take this
and giving, take this.
इसलिए जाने देखे तारे देन प्रेम बुलाइया स्पेशली लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he traveled in South India,
दक्षिण भारत भ्रमण उस समय महाप्रभु
at that time
सभी को
Mahaprabhu,
प्रेम प्रदान
he gave prema to everyone.
यहाँ तक कि महाप्रभु के दर्शन से सभी के हृदय में प्रेम
Only
संचार
by seeing Mahaprabhu, prema also appeared in everyone's hearts.
ऐसे कृष्ण प्रेम one to दर्शन लॉर्ड चैतन्य
If
महाप्रभु
somebody would only see Mahaprabhu
very far
from far,
also कृष्ण प्रेम
Krishna prema would manifest in this person's heart.
कौन दयालु प्रभु अच्छे कौन गया चैतन्य महाप्रभु इसको तपस्वी
Can be more merciful
magnificent and
than Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu is the topmost magnificent and magnanimous.
महाप्रभु की यही विशेष वैशिष्ट है
This is the speciality of Mahaprabhu.
महाप्रभु when he traveled
When Mahaprabhu traveled
in Jharkhand Bihar Jharkhand
in Jharkhand in Bihar,
and Mahaprabhu intoxicated all the living entities
Mahaprabhu
with
intoxicated all the living entities with divine holy names.
नाम के द्वारा सबको क्या कर देते प्रेम में सबको उद्बुद्ध करा दिया यहाँ तक शेर से लेकर के
Even the lions, the elephants,
सांप से लेकर के सभी क्या
snakes, everyone
कृष्ण प्रेम में
became intoxicated
all
by
them
Krishna prema.
completely intoxicated with Krishna prema. Once Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanted holy names and that at midnight and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was walking in the
One
deep
time it was
forest
midnight, he was chanting holy names, and Mahaprabhu was walking in the deep forest of Jharkhand.
and behind
And
his two
behind
servants
his two servants,
and
Balabhadra Bhattacharya.
Balbhadra Bhattacharya and one Brahman boy.
So Balabhadra Bhattacharya and a Brahmana boy who was cooking for Mahaprabhu.
One Brahman, Balbhadra Bhattacharya and one Brahman boy who cooked for Lord Chaitanya.
So the two servants were Balabhadra Bhattacharya and one Brahmana boy cooking for Mahaprabhu. Midnight, Lord Chaitanya was chanting holy names and walking in the deep forest.
Then one tiger
Then one tiger blocked the road and was sleeping there in the middle of the
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
path.
अर्धरात्रि में
Mahaprabhu, midnight,
महाप्रभु उठ गए और
Mahaprabhu
उनके नाम संकीर्तन
woke up
करते हुए
and he was chanting holy names,
रास्ता पर चल जाते
walking
और उसी
on
रास्ता में एक विशाल जो
the
है
path of the forest, and there was a big,
वेरी फेरिसियस
very ferocious
बाघ सोए थे
tiger sleeping,
और महाप्रभु के इसी चरण स्पर्श होने के नाम
having felt the touch of Mahaprabhu's lotus feet. This tiger
कूद गए
raised,
और बलभद्र भट्टाचार्य ब्राह्मण देव डर गए
and then Balabhadra Bhattacharya and the Brahmana were so afraid that the tiger might attack them.
किंतु महाप्रभु ने क्या कहा
But Mahaprabhu told,
कृष्ण कहो चांद
tell,
बोली नहीं
chant holy names, tell Krishna names.
महाप्रभु तो
Mahaprabhu told the tiger,
कृष्ण कृष्ण बोली व्याघ्र
not like, yeah. And then the tiger started dancing.
When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just told chant holy names,
Mahaprabhu told, chant holy names.
the
And then
tiger
the
raised
tiger
his two paws
raised his two paws
and chanted holy names.
and chanting the holy names and dancing and singing.
Krishna Krishna बोली व्याघ्र नाचित है। बलभद्र भट्टाचार्य ब्राह्मण देवी
The Brahman and Balabhadra Bhattacharya, they became very surprised. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed the highest prema to everywhere.
One day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was
One day Mahaprabhu was taking bath in one pond.
In the meantime, some
In
mad
the meantime,
elephants.
some mad elephants came.
Then Balbhadra
Then
Bhattacharya
Balabhadra Bhattacharya, this Brahmana, he became very
afraid.
afraid what to do now.
Then Chaitanya
Then Chaitanya
Mahaprabhu took
Mahaprabhu
water
took water
on his hand
and threw the water
elephants.
at the elephant's body.
Just touching the
And
water
this sprinkle of water touched the elephant body.
Then the elephants
Then the elephants
chanted
started to chant holy names.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. How Krishna Prema manifested in their heart. I'm saying I compare the same way.
So Krishna Prema manifested also in the heart of these animals. So I'm comparing. Srila Swami Maharaj also preached in the Western countries.
और प्रचार करके ऐसे भोगवादी कर्मीवादी निर्विशेषवादी लोगों के क्या कृष्ण प्रेम में कृष्ण नाम में बिल्कुल पागल बना दिया।
And he made all these people who are atheists and nihilists, make them intoxicated with Krishna Prem. They became crazy for Krishna Prem. Everybody who comes nowadays, even in India also we see, the people who come,
उनकी विशेष एक वैशिष्ट दिखाई देता
we see a very special, like in the preaching of
है। सारे
Srila Swami
भक्त लोग
Maharaj.
उनके लिए ऋणी मानते
All the devotees, they
हैं।
feel
वास्तव में सत्य है।
indebted to Srila Swami Maharaj. This is true. Today we see his disappearance day.
आज विश्व में जितने भी
Today in the world, all the preaching which is in the world nowadays,
उनकी विशेष अवदान
this special contribution
दिखाई
of Srila Swami Maharaj.
मैंने कहा था जितने भी प्रचारक
I
आए,
told all the preachers,
किया,
they have
किंतु
preached,
उन्होंने जो
yes,
जिस प्रकार विपुल रूप से
but the way how he has preached, no one in the past nor in the future has preached like him.
40 साल हो गए,
Already 40 years ago his preaching took place.
more than
It was
40 years,
more than 40 years ago.
and still
But still,
the same प्रेम धारा
the same line of this prem is coming still.
सभी लोग आज उनको स्मरण आदि करते हैं,
Until nowadays everybody is remembering him
उनके
and
चिंतन आदि करते
thinking
हैं,
about him,
उनके ग्रंथ आदि अध्ययन
reading
आदि
his
करते हैं।
books.
जो महाप्रभु जो वस्तु देने के लिए आए थे,
This thing which
उन्होंने
Mahaprabhu came to
अपने
give,
ग्रंथ में सब वस्तु
Srila Swami Maharaj put everything in his books.
कुछ लोग
But some
नहीं
people don't
पाते।
understand, cannot understand his books and his message. This is another thing.
जिसे कहते हैं जहाँ भागवत पढ़ो वैष्णव स्थान है,
That's why you have to study the books like the Bhagavatam with the Vaishnavas who are completely surrendered to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
ग्रंथ आदि भागवत आदि
You have to
पढ़ने
study
का
the books and the
वैष्णव
Bhagavatam at the feet of the Vaishnavas, sitting with the
और
Vaishnavas.
वैष्णव की मुख से ही श्रवण करना चाहिए।
And you have to read from, listen from the mouth of the Vaishnavas.
श्रवणं नैव कर्तुं सर्वश्रेष्ठ यथा त्वया। और वैष्णव की मुख से सुनना नहीं चाहिए।
You should not hear Harikatha from the mouth of non-Vaishnavas,
भागवत की अमृतमय
but you have to
श्रवण करना चाहिए।
hear from the mouth of the
इसलिए उदाहरण
Vaishnavas.
दे रहा है, जिस प्रकार
This
दूध
pure
में
Harikatha,
से
the example is given like the milk. If you drink milk, you'll become healthy.
But same milk contaminated
But
with
if the same milk
mouth
is
of the
contaminated
snake,
with the mouth of the
or
snake,
you accidentally, if you drink,
and accidentally you drink the milk, you'll become,
नहीं,
you will
Poison.
become sick,
है? है क्या?
isn't it?
तो तात्पर्य क्या है?
So what is the meaning?
भागवत कथा आदि श्रवण, भागवत कथा आदि श्रवण वैष्णव के मुख से श्रवण
Hear Harikatha from the Vaishnavas' lotus mouth, not from non-Vaishnavas.
है। यही तो बता दे जा रहे हैं। मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य साईं महाराज देखो सारे विश्व में
So Srila Swami Maharaj, you can
कैसे
see,
प्रचार आदि
he preached in the whole
है,
world.
जहाँ पर गोमांस खाने वाले हैं।
People who were eating cow meat,
ऐसे
cow's flesh.
लोगों की उन्होंने उद्धार
So these kind of people are delivered by
किया
him.
है। जहाँ पर खान पीन
Those who
की
were
कोई विचार नहीं
were not considering what to
है।
drink, what to
रहन-सहन
eat,
की कोई विचार भी नहीं
no any consideration.
है। किंतु ऐसे लोगों की शुद्ध सदाचार में
So
प्रतिष्ठित करा
to establish these people following the, like to make
शुद्ध
them follow the
सदाचार
pure
में
behavior
प्रतिष्ठित करा जाए।
is hard, but he
गला
did
में
this.
तिलक लगा दिया।
Like even these people who were not following any rules, they started to follow the Shuddha Vichar, Shuddha
गले में कंठी
Sadachar,
पहनाए।
also counting the neck, tilak in the forehead.
शुद्ध सदाचार आदि बना
They started to follow the Shuddha Sadachar, the pure behavior.
शुद्ध सदाचारी बना के कृष्ण नाम में उद्बुद्ध कराया।
And they were intoxicated with Krishna Prem.
देखो,
Krishna Nam, sorry, the holy names.
आज तक भी वो धारा चलती आ रही
Until nowadays, this same line is going on.
है। उन्होंने सबसे विदेश में प्रचार की एक विशेष मैंने देखा
I've seen,
रथ यात्रा के द्वारा।
especially the preaching in Western countries, is happening because of the Ratha Yatra. People feel so much
प्रोत्साहित किया।
enthusiastic by the Ratha Yatra of Jagannath. It's a very good preaching in the Western countries. It's a Rath Yatra festival.
कोई उनकी विचारधारा है। यहाँ तक भी देखो कितने जो है वो क्रिश्चियन की जो क्या होता है चर्च,
So many people from church, also Christians,
मंदिर बना दिया। अब वो चर्च चला नहीं पा रहे थे, उसके भी मंदिर मंदिर बना
they make the church converted to temples. Buddhists also were delivered by them. So he intoxicated everyone in Krishna Prem. So his contribution, his speciality. Today we're remembering all his contributions. Gaura Premanand. 6:30, let's go. I thought I would continue the Damodarastakam. Sloka 6.
हे भक्तवत्सल दामोदर,
Hey Deva, hey Bhaktavatsala, hey Damodar, hey Ananta, your Vishnu is everywhere. Oh my Lord, oh, you are the complete independent Lord. I am drowning in an ocean of miseries. I am most afflicted and do not know what to do. O Isha, shower me with your merciful glance and kindly uplift me by becoming directly visible to my eyes. So this verse explains this. Verse 6.
भगवान के निकट नाम संकीर्तन की महिमा दिखा रहे हैं।
So he's showing the glories of the holy names to approach the Lord. Especially he's saying,
शब्द उत्पन्न प्रेम विशेष के कारण साक्षात दर्शन की इच्छा करने वाले सत्यव्रत मुनि दर्शक के विषय में
by the power of his prayers, an uncommon type of prema instantly arose within Satyavrata Muni's heart, and he now expressed his intense longing to see Sri Bhagavan directly. So we see that he's chanting the holy names in the 6th verse. He's telling many names of God. And in Kali Yuga, you can attain God by the holy names. Harinama is the sadhana and also the sadhya, the process and the goals. Your heart can be pure with the holy names. So the glories of holy names are topmost glorious, important. From all the sadhanas to attain God, in Kali Yuga the best sadhana is Nama Sankirtana. By chanting holy names, we'll be able to attain God and attain Bhagavat Prem. In other yugas, there were other kinds of sadhanas to attain God. In Satya Yuga, in Satya Yuga people would meditate, dhyan. This was the sadhana. But in Kali Yuga, dhyan is not possible. In Treta Yuga, the process was jagya, to attain God through fire sacrifice. In Dwapara Yuga, people used to do archan, but in Kali Yuga also is not possible. So in Kali Yuga, only by holy names, you can easily get the fruit of all the other process in other yugas.
इसलिए कलिजुग की नाम संकीर्तन की महिमा इस श्लोक में दिखा
So this
है
sloka shows the glories of
क्योंकि
holy
ये
names.
नाम संकीर्तन के द्वारा ही
By Nam Sankirtan,
भगवत प्राप्ति
you can attain Bhagavan.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं नमो देव भगवान की कार्य सप्तम पर हे देव
Hey
शब्द
Dev.
के अर्थ कहते हैं अर्थ क्रीड़ा से
Dev means you are always playing.
देवयति क्रीड़यति दिव्यति क्रीड़यति
Deva means one who is playing.
जो सबके हृदय में
One who is
परमात्मा के रूप में रहते हैं
as Paramatma in everyone's hearts, as the super soul.
ऐसे भी जीव नहीं है जिसके हृदय में
There is no jiva in which Bhagavan is not present as Paramatma.
दिव्यति क्रीड़यति सबके
And he's playing in everyone's hearts. Deva means he's playing in everyone's hearts.
हे देव हे दयिता हे भुवनैक बंधु हे कृष्ण हे चपल हे करुणैक सिंधु हे नाथ हे रमण हे नयनाभिराम हा हा कदा नो भवितास्मि भूर्दिशोर्मे करें इस श्लोक में करें हे देव संत राधा जी कहते हैं
Shrimad Radhika
हे
herself
देव
is saying,
अब तो सबके हृदय में
Hey Dev,
क्रीड़ा करते रहते
you are playing in everyone's
सबको
hearts.
लुभाते रहते हो। सबकी अब चित्त को आकर्षित करते
You attract everyone's hearts.
दिग्वती क्रीड़ा सब कहते हैं आप सभी के पास आते हैं। हे देव हे दैव आपको सबके अत्यंत प्रिय हो
Daita, you are very
हे
dear
देव
to
हे
everyone.
हे भुवनैक बंधु
Most dear. Bhuvanika Bandhu, you are everyone's friends. Friends, you are everyone's friend.
हे कृष्ण हे चपल
Hey Krishna,
आप सभी के जो है अपने रूप माधुर्य आदि के द्वारा आकर्षित करते हो। कृष्ण
You-
शब्द के कृष्ण धातु
Krishna means Kri, the rubber root. Krish means to
सभी
attract.
के आकर्षण करके
You attract everyone.
अपने तरफ ले जाते
And you drag everyone towards you.
जो ये कृष्ण
Chapal
ये
means-
चपल
chapal means
जो अत्यंत
You
जो
who
है
are very restless.
रेस्टलेस
You who are very restless.
एक स्थान में नहीं रहते
You don't stay in one place only.
हैं? एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान तीसरे
You go
स्थान
from
में
one
ऐसे
place to another place.
चपल ही सुखा है
This is Chapal,
हैं? चपल है रेस्टलेस
restless.
हैं? अस्थिर
Astir means not fixed, not stable, unstable.
ये चपल ये करुणैक सिंधु अब तो करुणा की
Krishna, you are the ocean of mercy. Korunaika Sindhu.
हे कृष्ण हे चपल हे करुणैक सिंधु हे नाथ नाथ शब्द के आप सबको तो पालन
Nath
करते
means you protect and take care of everyone.
हैं। हे रमन
Hey
आप
Ramana,
सबके हृदय में रमन करने वाला है रामदास रमन
you
करते हैं।
always also
हे नाथ हे रमन,
enjoying everyone's
हे
hearts.
नयनाभिराम आपके सौंदर्य माधुर्य के द्वारा हैं? सबके क्या करते हैं? आकर्षित करते हैं।
You attract everyone with your beauty and qualities.
नयनाभिराम सकल के सभी की जो
By
है
your beauty and
आंखों
qualities.
की जो है
And
आनंद प्रदान
you
करने
give
वाला
bliss to everyone's heart,
है।
everyone's
कितने
eyes.
सुंदर
You give
आपके
bliss to
रूप।
everyone's eyes.
ये
You are
रूप
so
दर्शन-
beautiful.
जिस रूप के दर्शन करके सभी क्या हुए होते हैं
Everyone sees your beautiful form and becomes so attracted.
हैं? कृष्ण के इतने सुंदर रूप जो है।
Beautiful form of Krishna.
जे रूपेर माधुरी देखी जिनके रूप माधुरी देख करके सभी क्या
Seeing his beautiful
वहीं
form,
हो जाते
everyone becomes completely
हैं।
intoxicated.
इसलिए हे नाथ हे रमण हे नयन विराम आहा कदानु भवितास्मि भूर दिशोर में क्या पुनः पुनः मेरा नयन गोचर में होंगे
Will again you come in the path of my eyes? Means will you give me
श्री
darshan?
राधा जी के बात करे हे
This is the
देव
mood of
हे
Shrimati Radhika.
करुणैक बंधु हे कृष्ण हे चपल हे करुणैक सिंधु हे नाथ हे रमण हे नयनाभिराम हा हा कदानु भवितास्मि भूर दिशोर में क्या पुनः पुनः आप मुझे ऐसे सुंदर रूप के दर्शन कराओगे
Will you give me the darshan of a beautiful form again? Beautiful mood of Shrimati Radhika.
सबसे कृष्ण जो है अपने सुंदर रूप को कहाँ पर प्रकाशित करते हैं
Krishna manifests in the topmost beautiful form. Where? In the Rasa Sthali.
और उस रास्ते में विशेष करके
Especially
राधा जी के साथ
with Shrimati Radhika.
कृष्ण सब सुंदर रूप प्रकाश करते हैं
The most beautiful form.
रमणम सुंदरता वरिष्ठ सौंदर्य में समस्त जगत जनस सैमस वाम अबद्ध कदा तुरम तामम इंद्र ब्रह्म इतने सुंदर जो रूप
So beautiful for
वर्णन करें। फिर चलो हम लोग चलते हैं कथा में।
Okay, let's go to the Katha.
मेन कथा में चलते हैं। फिर वंशावली कृपा सिंधु परितानम पावने प्रभु वैष्णव जय श्री देव।